तुझको फिर से जलवा दिखाना ही होगा, अगले बरस आना है, आना ही होगा। तुझको फिर से जलवा दिखाना ही होगा, अगले बरस आना है, आना ही होगा। देखेंगी तेरी राहें प्यासी प्यासी निगाहें, तो मान ले तू मान भी ले कहना मेरा, लौट के तुझको आना है, सुन ले कहता दीवाना है, जब तेरा दर्शन पाएंगे चैन तब हमको पाना है। मोरिया 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 रे पप्पा मोरिया 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 रे, मोरिया 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 रे पप्पा मोरिया 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 रे।
Hi guys, good morning. It is Ganesh Chaturthi and I'm very excited because technically last year I was in Bombay and I didn't understand like what the hype was about, and everyone was like, oh my god, Ganesh Visarjan, Ganesh. And I was like, what's the hype, what's the hype? And then when I actually spent that 1 week in Bombay, I was like, I feel it. Like something about this city changes for like those 10 days where you're like, huh, like it's a weird energy. I don't know how to explain it, like if you've never felt it. But I was like, if I'm in Bombay next year, I'm also gonna keep Ganpati. So then I convinced my chachi and I was like, chachi, we have to do it this year, we have to. And then she just got convinced. So I was like, okay, cool. And then yesterday obviously I felt guilty because there's something that if you keep Ganpati once, you have to keep it for the next 3 years or something like that. And then I was like, sorry chachi, like I'll make you keep it for the next 3 years. And then she said something very nice. She was like, don't think about it like that, think about it like because of you. No, how did she say? She said it very nicely. She was like, Ganpati Bappa in your form has come into our house. Like I have invited him to our house. And I was like, damn, I never thought about it like that. But I'm very excited. I actually don't know anything about Ganpati. I don't know any of the traditions. So if I'm doing it wrong, please let me know in the comments because I actually have no idea. So yeah, this is also everyone's first time, I guess. At least mine's for sure. I'm excited. Now in our building we have like dhol and Ganpati is gonna come and they're gonna do aarti and everything. So I'm very excited. My friend Divya is also coming and I'm gonna go to her house for Visarjan because she lives on that Lal Bagh wala road and I really want to see, you know, that huge iconic murti go. Yeah, so let me show you what all decorations I've done. Me and Rupali Chachi did this last night. Chachu's the only one ready. Chachu, you know those 3 flags up there? That Chachu did. And he covered the TV. Okay, fine. Yeah, he sat exactly on this chair and instructed us. But I think it looks nice. So outside, this my Chachi did. Very pretty. This I did. Dadi, Chachu and me are going to see Ganpati downstairs. Excited. Let's go. Ganpati Baba Moria. Complete. These two people have come. They are interested in Sparky more than Ganpati. So.
ओ खुशियों के दिन हो के गम का जमाना, दिल बस लेता है नाम तेरा। तेरे ही कारण है जीवन सुहाना, तू ही तो मन में तन मन में बसा। हर घड़ी ध्यान रहे तेरा, मैं हूँ तेरा चाहने वाला, जपता हूँ तेरी माला। तो मान ले तू मान भी ले कहना मेरा, लौट के तुझको आना है, सुन कहता दीवाना है। जब तेरा दर्शन पाएंगे चैन तब हमको पाना है। ओ मोरिया 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 रे बाबा, मोरिया 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 रे, मोरिया 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 रे बाबा, मोरिया 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 रे। तुझको फिर से जलवा दिखाना ही होगा, अगले बरस आना है, आना ही होगा।
Hi guys, so this is my outfit. It is, I know, very plain for Ganpati, but I got invited to go to a Ganpati in the building, so I'm gonna go. I'm very excited. I've never obviously done Ganpati, but I've also never gotten invited to someone's house, you know. All these people who came to my house for Ganpati, they were like, yeah, we have like 5 places to go to and then we'll come to yours and whatever. And I was like, I also have one place to go. And I'm like, so let me see if I can show you. I don't know how much will be possible, but I'm excited. Okay, Divya is taking me to see Altar Mount. Is it Karaja? Altar Mount Char Raja, and it's apparently the Ambani one that's decorated with a lot of lights. I wanted to go to Lal Bagh, but I think I'm too short to stand in the crowd and get pushed. Hi guys, so this is my outfit for today. I'm at Divya's house because she lives on that road where they take the Lal Bagh Cha Raja from. So today is Visarjan Day and I was like, I want to see. She was like, okay, come stay over. So I spent the night in her house and we're gonna go see. So today my eyes opened at like 7:30. It's 9 o'clock right now. So my eyes opened at 7:30 and I could hear Papa More and I was like and I don't know if I've told you this, but every Mumbai person that I have met till now always tells me that it always rains on Ganpati Visarjan somehow. And look, it rained last night. It's all wet. I hope it lives up to the hype. To be fair, my hype is from movies, so I don't know if it's going to be that. But yeah, let's see. Wow. Look at the difference between our chai color. This is Divya's chai and this is mine. She's professional chef from Italy making dosa. Guys, this is us. So we're going to see Lal Bagh and we're going down to see Ganpati. And yeah, let's go. final puja of Lal Bagh has been done, and then we will see it when it comes. Guys, Prishita and Divya, this is the TV just by the way. They want me to be there. There, can you see? Yeah, there. Inside the crowd where you can't even see my face. I have lost track of which Ganpati this is, but there's another one. And another one behind him. It's just a parade almost. Say no to firecrackers. Look, they put a little tikka on me also when I went down. I was so excited. I mean, it's not centered, but at least I got it. We just came from the crowd and they have just pushed and pushed and pushed and I'm like,
Every way possible.
yeah, and Prishita madam wanted to go in the middle. In the middle.
But it was worth it.
It was. That I did was. But look at my feet. Look at her feet.
Oh, look at this. Oh, enemy wants something that I want to throw.
So many Ganpatis. My mamu got me here to see it. Can you at least smile and say hi?
Hi. But
Fight
rule.
or rule?
Fight.
Why Ganpati started getting celebrated?
Don't take my video. I'm not going to say anything.
Please.
No.
Crazy. So many Ganpatis. What the hell? And so many people are witnessing the ocean getting so dirty. They're so inside the water. They're going in, more in.
We want to pollute the ocean till where we can.
Oh my god. What the hell? How much do they go?
They have to, no? The big